Yeah, so today I'm going to show you how to take off the seat on a Surron Light Bee X, and then I'm going to put this gut seat on. There's a whole plate on here that protects it. You got to take this off. I don't know that you can see them. There's screws right here. Those are the seat screws, but we got to get this plate off. So let's do that first. So it's got these little tabs. Little black tabs, and you got to take those out. And there's 3 on this side, and then there's 3 on this side, and then on the inside there's one here, and then there's one here on the inside. We got to take those out. I'm just gonna use a knife, pluck them out. It's a little plastic tab. Save them, don't lose them. Oh, and I just broke that one. So don't do that. Don't break them. You want to keep these. And I'll get this other one. Okay, so now we got these little, I don't know, inserts that you got to take out. Same way. Get underneath it, pop it out, take your time. Don't break them, don't lose them. This is what it looks like. Same with these. 3 on each side. So that's all 3 out there. Let's get this one on the inside before we move to the other side. Same thing, pull them out nice and slow. Don't break them, don't lose them. And then when we got all those out, it'll just drop down. Right, and just let it hang, and then we got our 2 here and then our 2 here, and you take those off and get the seat off. And it's 10 millimeters. Take them out. I looped it out and I broke my fender, so there's a little fender piece on there. I'll probably eventually get a fender piece. Right now we're running naked. I'll take the other 2 off. And there we go. What do we got under here? Yeah, and then the guts does give us a place to, same thing, so transfer that stuff. A relay or something. Alright, we got it switched over. Now we just put everything back together. Plug it back in. There it is. Putting the washer on, then the nut. Just tuck the cable up out of the way. Then we got this one back here. Yeah, I want to put that spacer on. I call it a spacer because that's all it is for me now. This is what's left of my fender, so I'm going to put this on because it's acting like a spacer for me right now. Doesn't need to be super tight, just snug it up. Put our little cover back on. Right like that. Put all these little plastic pieces back in. So I'm gonna put all of these little plastic pieces in, and then once those are in, then I'll push in the little, yeah, so you can get them back in, but it's not the easiest thing to do. Don't lose them, don't break them. Just take your time. And then I'm just putting these back in. Don't forget the ones on the inside. And then the finishing touch is putting these on this side here. And that's it. That's how you put a seat on. Kind of pain in the butt. Taking the plastics, the little bitty plastic things off isn't hard, but putting them back in, pain in the butt. But it can be done. It just takes time. Don't lose them. I went with the soft guts seat. I went with the non-abrasive gripper stuff, and I didn't do the pleats or whatever they call them for more grip. I just wanted something a little softer than the stock seat, because the stock seat sucks. It's like sitting on a 2x4. So this foam should be better because it's the soft version, but it's made to be not as hard as stock. And the non-abrasive stuff, I wanted a little grip, but I'm not going crazy, and let's see how it feels. It does feel better. I wouldn't say it's soft. Maybe on a longer ride it'll be good. There's only one way to find out. We'll have to go on longer rides. It feels better though. It doesn't give you that first, like, oh my god, it's super soft. It just feels kind of stiff, but you don't just sink right through it and sit on the like frame like the other one. Yeah, pretty cool. I'll put links in the description. Yeah, pretty cool though. Feels pretty good. We'll need to test it on a long run, but it looks pretty good. I need it to feel good though. Anyway, hope you liked the video. Comment, like, subscribe if you did. If you got any questions, comment down below. I'll try to answer them, but try to make this simple how-to video, how to take the seat off and put a gut seat on. And I'm pretty happy with the gut seat, so see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys later.